Hello, Akanksha. Welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Hello, sir. I'm doing good. How are you?
I am also doing good. Thank you. So, for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Miss Akanksha with us today. She has recently completed her multi-track training program here at I-MEDITA and got placed with Wipro. Earlier, she was working with another company. She got some good opportunity with Wipro after completing these particular courses and modules. So, hi Akanksha, welcome to this feedback session, and let's get started. So, could you please introduce yourself and give us a background about your particular experience and education?
So my name is Akanksha Verma, and I have completed MCA. And after that, I got placed into company from the college placement. So I had like 1.8 years of experience in that. And but after that, I wanted to upgrade myself. So I was looking for a coaching institute that will guide me better and like provide a good learning material for that. And that's when I got to know a lot about the I-MEDITA Institute from a lot of my friends and colleagues. So I decided to join this institute, and I joined the multi-track program here. So I studied CCNA, CCNP here, and after doing the courses, I got the opportunity to for the placement, and I was lucky enough to get the job in my in my first placement. So yeah, that was my experience here.
Okay. You enrolled for this multi-track training program. How was your overall
Yes.
experience during the training? From which all instructor you did your classes?
So for CCNA, I studied under Sudhanshu sir, and it was a very good experience because the way Sudhanshu sir delivers the topics, and he tells every story in a like every topic in a funny way. So you get to remember all the topics, and you don't have to like mug up the things. So it was very good. And then for CCNP, I studied with Vikas sir, and he was so knowledgeable in this topic, and we got so much exposure and deep knowledge about all the routing concepts and switching concepts in CCNP courses. So I got to learn so much from them. Also, I got to practice in the lab which you guys provide. So that was really helpful because only theory doesn't help. So when I got the exposure of lab, it was very helpful.
Okay. So why you opted for I-MEDITA? There are many other institutions also. What motivated you to join our particular training company?
So like I said, I got so many references from so many people here in, I was already in Pune, and like in Pune, you guys are like famous for network engineers. Like everyone was saying that this is the coaching. Like every like out of four, I can say like three people suggested me that iMedita is good. So, but even after that, I did some research. I went for so many places. I took the demo classes, and I really liked how teaching is processed here. Like you get the theories, you get the practical, you get the lab exposures. Everything is provided here, so, and it's like if you have doubt, the doubt is solved at that time only. Like you don't have to wait for that, and that's what I liked most because. When the doubt is cleared, you are like, "Ki, yes, now I'm clear and now I can move forward." So that like learning exposure was like, "Ki, yeah, I want to join iMedita now."
Okay. And how much time did you spend here with your classes, lab practice, and overall learning?
For classes were like for like 2 hours, and for weekends it was like 3 hours. So I had the exposure of both the weekdays classes and weekend classes. And after that, what I did, I used to sit in the lab and like practice like for like 3 4 hours. I used to practice like initially I had to practice a lot, so to make it a habit. So initially I did put 3 to 4 hours. Then after that I got to used to it. So yeah, like that.
Okay. Based on your experience here, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
I would rate 10 out of 10
Okay.
because whatever I needed the help, I got all the help from here. So I would rate it 10 out of 10.
Are you happy and satisfied with the training and services you have received from our end?
Yeah, I'm satisfied.
Okay. And The knowledge with instructor they have shared with you, the labs which you have received, have you got all the required support from our technical or from our other team members as well?
Yeah, yes, and sometimes it happens like with Vikas sir, like he is teaching a topic, and if even if we ask something that is not in the course, he's like, no, no, let me tell you, like he is like he goes beyond the course, beyond the syllabus to explain the topic. He is like you should know this करके मतलब वो हमको सब पढ़ाते ही रहे तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता था कि मतलब सिर्फ कोर्स सिलेबस में ही स्टक नहीं रहना है आपको सीखना है तो मैं सिखाऊंगा लाइक ही गूगल्स एट दैट मोमेंट ओनली एंड लाइक टीचर्स अस सो वो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता था कि हाँ मतलब ये सब चीजें भी क्लियर हो रही हैं करके
ओके। और जो पीडी क्लासेस हैं वो आपने की क्या, उनका आपको कोई बेनिफिट मिला ड्यूरिंग
हाँ
योर
यस
इंटरव्यूज?
या उसमें तो और भी ज़्यादा हेल्प मिला था मतलब जो जिस तरीके से मैम ने बताया कि इंटरव्यू को सिर्फ इंटरव्यू नहीं लेना है एज अ कॉन्वर्जेशन मतलब ये जो छोटी छोटी जो टेक्निकलिटीज होती है जो मैम ने बताई थी प्लस इंग्लिश भी उन्होंने हमें सिखाया था कि इंग्लिश कैसे बोलना है और प्रेजेंट कैसे करना है ग्रुप डिस्कशंस वगैरह जो होते थे उससे हमें बोलने की प्रैक्टिस हुई तो दैट वाज रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर अस
Before enrolling in this particular training program, and now when you have completed your course, you got the job, how confident today you are feeling in terms of both aspect, facing interviews, facing clients, and technological knowledge as well? How confident you are today in terms of knowledge, in terms of overall development?
I would say my confidence level has increased so much and like मतलब अब तो ऐसा होता है कि इंटरव्यू से डर नहीं लगता है यू अर्लियर वाज इट वाज लाइक कि यार इंटरव्यू में ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा बट जिस तरीके से पीडी क्लासेस में मैम बताती कि ऐसा करो वैसा करो इवन आप लोगों ने भी टेक्निकली बताया कि टेक्निकल इंटरव्यूज में ऐसा करना चाहिए वैसे करना चाहिए तो वो जो चीजें हैं वो सब भी like even after a job you should like you should practice all these things ऐसा नहीं कि आपको जॉब का एक्सपोजर है तो ये सब चीजें नहीं सीखना है ये सब चीजें भी सीखनी होती है एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक कि आप लोग वो सब चीजें भी सिखाते हो कि मतलब टेक्निकली आपको कैसे उसकी प्रैक्टिस कराते हो आप लोग मतलब बोल के बताओ करो प्रैक्टिस ऐसा तो वो सब जो चीजें होती है ना वो बहुत हेल्पफुल रही
Okay. Any suggestion, any feedback from your end through which we may improve our training and services in future? कोई feedback है आपका हमारे लिए?
no nothing from my side yeah nothing from my side I think everything is good.
Okay. Thank you, Akansha. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best of future endeavors. Keep learning and all the best once again.
Thank you sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.